Hey guys, as promised, here is the video on how you will be making your Sunprints for photography too. So what are Sunprints? Sunprints may also refer to a photographic processing using potassium dichromate, which produces a negative plate for conventional lithographic printing. The process uses a film of gelatin spread on a flat and rigid surface. What are Sunprints similar to? Sun printing is very similar to the photogram process we did in Photo 1. While making photograms, you have an enlarger as its light source, but for your Sunprints, the sun is the source of your light to create your image. How are Sunprints made? Step 1. Using the papers that I supplied you with, remove them from the packaging and place them in the shade. Step 2. You're going to begin placing your objects onto the paper. You can use 3D objects or 2D objects. Step 3. You're going to place something heavier on top of it that's clear, like I said, maybe glass from a photo frame. Step 4. You're going to place everything directly into the sun and leave it there for 5 to 15 minutes until your paper turns dark brown. Step 5. You're going to rinse it off for about 1 minute. And then step 6, you're going to place it back into the sun to let it dry. So what I did was I set everything up on a piece of cardboard in the classroom. I put it all together in a shaded area in my room. Then I placed it in the sun. I realized that I needed to tape some things down so it would stay in place. And I let it sit there for about 15 minutes, and I noticed the paper starting to get darker. So I peeled off my objects, and you can see the imprint on it. Then I rinsed it in the sink. And now I am going to go and place it to dry in the room, again in the sun. So this again could be in the sun or in the classroom. If you guys want to be doing this project inside and not outside in the colder weather, that is fine, but make sure you're doing it in an area that has a lot of sunlight because that's how you're going to get the best image for your Sunprint.